Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to minimize YouTube on Android and iPhone. First of all, let's see the process on Android phone. To minimize a video or music, you have to open YouTube on your Android phone browser. So I'm going to opening Google Chrome browser, and here simply search for youtube.com. Once you are in your YouTube, search for the music or video that you want to play in background, and all you have to need, open the music or video, and now tap on this three dot for Chrome browser at the top right, and here you have to enable desktop side. Once you successfully enabled desktop side, again play the YouTube video and simply minimize the browser like this. Now open your control center or notification panel, and here you will see your YouTube video added. Now just tap on play button, and as you can see, my YouTube is playing in my Android phone background. Now I can open any other apps or games, and the music or the video will be still play in my Android phone background. And if you want to pause the music or video, go to your control center, and from here you will be able to pause the video. So this is the process for Android phone. Now let's see the process in iPhone. And on your iPhone you have to open Safari browser and type youtube.com. Once the YouTube opened, search for the music, and just play the music. Now tap on this full screen icon to make the video full screen, and all you have to need, just swipe to the top to minimize the video. Open your notification center, and here you will see the music, YouTube music has been added. Now just tap on play button, and you will see your music, YouTube music or video is playing in your iPhone background. That's as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.